Hi everyone, so I wanted to show Queen Bee the progress of CJ. So this is how his skin color is looking. And then this is how his little face is looking. His little face needs more paint. But I've been working on like ear details. So yeah. I've been really clumsy today. I just spilled my paint again. But anyways, I like to put them in plastic bags overnight, and then tomorrow I'll work on them again and just add more details and more painting to the face. So yeah, CJ's going good night. And yeah.